Communication has always been the heartbeat of every organization. And for many businesses, that heartbeat runs on Cisco Unified Communications Manager, or CUCM, the trusted system that has connected people, offices, and customers for decades. But what if your CUCM is starting to age? Updates are behind, or features feel outdated and you're still not ready for Webex or migration. That's where voice data security comes in. We help organizations keep CUCM strong, secure, and fully supported through a complete refresh and upgrade process without moving to the cloud. A CUCM refresh is not about replacing your system. It's about renewing it, updating it to the latest Cisco standards, tightening security, and improving reliability so it performs like new. We begin with a full discovery and health assessment, reviewing your current CUCM versions, clusters, phones, gateways, and integrations. We check your licenses, certificates, and backups, and provide a clear report showing what's healthy, what's risky, and what can be improved. Next, we harden the system. We enable encryption, rotate certificates, update passwords, and ensure compliance with the latest E911 requirements under Kari's Law and Ray-Baum's Act. We fix configuration gaps, secure your dial plan, and make sure your environment is ready for the next phase, the refresh itself. Our engineers then upgrade CUCM, Unity connection, and phone firmware to current, supported releases. We plan every step carefully, performing rolling upgrades or side-by-side builds depending on your environment. All changes are tested and done during maintenance windows with rollback plans in place so your users experience no downtime. Once the system is updated, we clean and modernize your dial plan. We simplify call routing, remove unused or redundant patterns, and standardize numbering into E164 format. We validate 911 behavior, tighten call permissions to prevent misuse, and deliver a clear visual dial plan map your IT team can understand. We also make sure every site stays connected. We test and tune gateways and trunks, validate SRST for branch survivability, and ensure Expressway MRA is optimized so remote users can securely connect from anywhere. And if you're running Cisco Unity or UCCX, we verify that voicemail and contact center features work perfectly after the refresh. When everything's complete, we put proactive measures in place. We schedule reliable backups, configure real-time monitoring and alerts, and document your failover and recovery processes. We also train your IT staff, providing easy-to-follow runbooks for daily operations. Or, if you prefer, our team can co-manage the environment with you, handling updates, patching, and monitoring so your system always stays healthy. Finally, we help you plan ahead. We provide a lifecycle roadmap for your voice environment, when to plan the next refresh, how to budget for future updates, and what steps you'll eventually need if you decide to migrate later. Because modernization doesn't always mean moving away. It means keeping your systems secure, supportable, and strong, even while you're still not ready for Webex or migration. With voice data security, your CUCM isn't just maintained, it's strengthened. You stay compliant, supported, and ready for whatever comes next. So keep your communication backbone where it belongs, reliable, modern, and protected. Schedule your free UC modernization assessment today, or contact Voice Data Security to plan your CUCM refresh or upgrade, no migration required. Voice Data Security, protecting the systems that keep you connected.